Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of looping animations, showing you exactly how to make your own GIFs using the powerhouse that is Adobe After Effects. First things first, let's kick things off by creating a new After Effects project. Open the file and select New Project now. Bring your pre-made assets into After Effects by heading to the project panel. Import your image files, a video clip, or any other elements you want to use for your GIF. Next, let's make a composition. Drag your imported assets from the project panel down to the Create a New Composition icon. This will create a new one for you. Double check your composition settings. Set your desired width and height. Typically, something square like 500 by 500 is a safe bet. Pay attention to your frame rate. A frame rate of 1524 is standard for GIFs, offering a smooth look without being too heavy. For file size, make sure your duration is set to however long your animation needs to be. Now, the fun begins. In the timeline panel, select your layers. Use the tools in the toolbar to animate your assets. You can adjust the position, scale, rotation, and opacity of each layer over time. If you're animating text, use keyframes to animate. Play back your animation and make adjustments to your keyframes or layer timing. To ensure a seamless loop, it's essential to match the in and out frames if needed. You can trim layers by using the open and close bracket keys on your keyboard. Preview your animation to make sure it loops properly. Once you're happy with your animation, it's time to export it. Go to Composition and then to Add to Render Queue. Inside the Render Queue panel, look for Output module. Click on it. A new window will open. Inside this window, make sure that your format is set to Animated GIF and choose the destination for your GIF. Click the Render button, and After Effects will work its magic. And that's it. You've successfully created a looping GIF in Adobe After Effects. Now go forth and unleash your creativity. Experiment with designs and concepts. Happy animating!